Hi, my name is Mike Temes. I work for Metropolitan Industries, an original equipment manufacturer specializing in control and pump solutions. For over 65 years, our custom pumping solutions has centered around innovative custom control solutions. In the late 1990s, our electrical engineering team innovated our first version of the IntelliPump controller, which incorporated a microprocessor printed circuit board for electronic pump control. This board evolved and in 2006 was standardized to a solution that revolutionized duplex pumping for many applications. We are proud to showcase the latest evolution in the IntelliPump line of controls, our Ion IntelliPump controller. The Ion IntelliPump is the most advanced float-based pump controller on the market today. The Ion IntelliPump can be used with both traditional style switches or with Ion sensors. Ion sensors use strain gauge technology to overcome reliability and operational issues typical of mechanical floats. The latest Ion IntelliPump offers a wide range of pumping operation modes, including duplex mechanical alternation, duplex, triplex, and quadruplex float pumping for pump up or for pump down applications. Latest features include adjustable pump on-off and emergency pump run delays, jockey and/or emergency pump fail detection, seal fail and thermal inputs built in, dry contacts for remote monitoring of seal fails, pump fails, float sensor failure, and common alarms. The heart of the Ion IntelliPump controller is the module itself. One of the latest features of this control module includes a remote mount display, as seen here in a control enclosure that's NEMA 4X rated and allows the users and operators to see the status of the floats, the status of the pumps, and the status of the alarms. Today we're going to go over a standard triplex pump down application featuring 5 mechanical floats. Sequence of operation includes 5 floats tethered to the control module, our off float, lead float, lag float, and high water alarm float. We're going to go over the standard sequence of operation and a couple of the features of the control module. In normal operation, as the pit fills with effluent, the off float is made as it tips up, and the lead float is made as it tips up, calling the first pump in sequence to run. As it pumps down the pit, the lead float drops out, status goes away on the control module, status goes away on the remote mount display, and the off float drops out, and the pump shuts off. This sequence will continue to go after every cycle, but it alternates between the 3 pumps. So here, let's simulate filling, off float is made, our lead float is made, and now we'll switch to the next pump in the sequence, which is pump 3. If for some reason a pump in sequence that's supposed to be next on the list is not available, if it was called on, it will skip that pump. So we're going to simulate going to the next pump in sequence, and it'll go back to pump 2 because pump 1 is in an off position. Should the pump system level continue to rise, off float is made, our lead float is made, but our water level comes up and our lag float is brought on, 2 of the 3 pumps will be brought on in sequence. Time to time, mechanical floats, sensors, and operating control equipment could fail. In the event of a float failure, the Ion IntelliPump control module will still pump down or pump up, depending on the mode of operation, but an alarm will be triggered. We can simulate this by putting in a float being tipped out of sequence. What happens is we tip the lag float out of sequence with the off and lead floats not made, and both pumps will run until that float drops out, and after a timed period, a delay period, the pumps will shut off, but the alarm condition is still closed, and the off and lead float alarm status is made, letting the client know that those floats have failed and need to be changed. Clearing this alarm is possible by power recycling or power cycling the control module. If for some reason a catastrophic equipment failure happens and all the pumps are out, or all the floats except for the high water alarm float have been compromised, high water alarm is also available when the high water alarm float is made, and this will bring on any pumps available and run them. Here we're simulating all 3 pumps running for a catastrophic failure to try to pump down the pit. This latest evolution of this system can be custom integrated to many different pumping applications and control enclosures. It can be integrated with new or existing pump systems. For more information on this product or any of our solutions, please contact us today. 815-886-9200. Visit us online at our website or follow us on our social media pages or like and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.